In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best toiletry bags. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So here are the top 5 best toiletry bags. Number 5, Cotopaxi Nido. Bright, bold, and built for adventure, the Cotopaxi Nido accessory bag is a versatile toiletry organizer designed to keep your essentials in order. Featuring 3 compartments and an interior zippered pocket, this bag ensures that everything has its place, from skincare products to small accessories. The side carry handle makes it easy to grab and go, while the rugged, recycled nylon construction ensures long-term durability. Whether you're exploring new destinations or simply need a reliable way to store your toiletries at home, this bag delivers functionality with a pop of color. Made from recycled 840D nylon with a TPU coating, the Nido accessory bag is as tough as it is stylish. Its eco-friendly design appeals to travelers who prioritize sustainability without compromising on quality. The unique, colorful look stands out in any luggage, making it easy to spot when you're on the go. If you want a practical yet fun toiletry bag that's perfect for road trips, outdoor adventures, or everyday organization, Cotopaxi's Nido is a fantastic choice. Number 4, Bellroy Toiletry Kit. Elegance meets efficiency in the Bellroy Toiletry Kit, a sophisticated bag designed for travelers who like to keep things neat and minimal. The water-resistant lining makes cleanups effortless, while the internal mesh pockets provide structured organization for all your toiletries. A standout feature is the toothbrush sleeve with a magnetic closure, which keeps your toothbrush separate and hygienic, an essential detail for frequent travelers. The durable woven fabric ensures long-lasting performance, and select colorways are made from recycled plastic bottles, making it an eco-friendly choice. Measuring a compact 9 by 3.2 by 5.1 inches, this kit offers a surprising amount of space without being bulky. Nylon grab loops make it easy to carry, and the sleek design fits seamlessly into any suitcase or carry-on. Whether you're heading on a business trip or a weekend getaway, this toiletry kit provides a refined way to store and organize your essentials. Backed by a 3-year warranty, it's a stylish and reliable choice for travelers who appreciate smart design and sustainability. Number 3, Peak Design Wash Pouch. For travelers who appreciate sleek, high-tech organization, the Peak Design Wash Pouch is a must-have. Its origami-style internal pocket layout creates a clean and structured space for your toiletries, preventing clutter while maximizing storage. The premium 400D weatherproof nylon exterior keeps your belongings protected from moisture and spills, while the TPU-coated nylon mesh pockets inside add extra durability. Designed to stand upright on a countertop, this bag eliminates the frustration of digging through messy compartments, and when space is tight, the stowable hook allows for effortless hanging. The attention to detail in this bag is remarkable. The combination of woven nylon webbing, EVA foam, and Hypalon materials not only makes it stylish but also ensures longevity. Whether you're navigating airport security or freshening up after a long flight, this wash pouch offers a seamless experience with its thoughtfully designed compartments and easy access storage. If you want a toiletry bag that combines modern aesthetics with practical functionality, this one is a game changer. Number 2, Gravel Mini. Compact yet incredibly functional, the Gravel Mini hanging toiletry bag is a traveler's dream for keeping essentials in order. Designed with multiple compartments, it offers a smart way to separate your liquids, dry items, and personal belongings without creating a mess. The waterproof TPU pockets ensure that spills stay contained, making it perfect for shampoos and lotions while staying TSA approved for hassle-free airport security checks. Plus, the fleece-lined outer pocket and hidden stash spot provide extra space for personal items like jewelry, watches, or even a small phone. Despite its small size, this toiletry bag packs a punch in terms of durability and convenience. Made from rugged tarpaulin PVC and waterproof mesh, it's built to last through years of travel and comes with a lifetime durability guarantee. The adjustable hanging strap easily fits over hooks or doors, giving you quick and easy access to your toiletries wherever you stay. Whether you're on a short weekend getaway or a long-term adventure, this bag ensures your essentials are always organized, protected and within reach. Number 1. Sea to Summit Hanging Toiletry Bag. Looking for a toiletry bag that's as adventurous as you are? The Sea to Summit Traveling Light. Hanging Toiletry Bag is the perfect companion for travelers who value organization without the extra weight. Made from ultra-light, water-resistant Ultra-Sil Cordura nylon, this bag keeps your toiletries secure, whether you're backpacking through the mountains or jet-setting across the globe. With multiple compartments, including a roomy main section with a divider, 2 zippered mesh pockets, and an exterior pocket, everything has its place. The stowable hanging hook and detachable mirror add a touch of convenience, making it easy to freshen up anywhere. At just 0.29 pounds, this bag offers a surprising amount of storage without weighing you down. It's spacious enough for full-size shampoo bottles, lotions, and toothpaste. Ideal for longer trips where you need all your essentials in one spot. Durable grab tag zippers make opening and closing a breeze, and the stretchy mesh pockets provide flexibility for different-sized items. Whether you're camping, staying in a luxury hotel, or embarking on an outdoor adventure, this bag is built to keep your toiletries neatly stored and accessible wherever you go. We hope this guide has helped you narrow down your choices. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comments section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.